Naluto na ang ating pork rib adobo. Ayan. Patikim natin to kay husband. Sure he will like this. Yummy adobo. Pork rib adobo. Yummy. And then, syempre, nag-boiled egg tayo. I-add natin sa ating pork rib adobo. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like our video. Bye! Craving satisfied, guys. Pork rib adobo. Sobrang lambot. At nalagyan ko ng boiled egg. Ang sarap, guys. Grabe. Pati po yung bones ng ribs. Ang lambot. Pwede na makain. Grabe, guys. Pero hindi siya kainin. Oy. Yun lang. Pati ribs. Super tender. Iba talaga yung pressure cooker, guys. Yun lang. Craving satisfied. Pork rib adobo. Bye.